Hi there. Join Amelia and I. Wait, Amelia, we're starting the video.
Sorry, I was upstairs doing my hair and makeup.
Well, glad you could join us. We're looking forward to giving you a tour of this special home at 255 West End Avenue. It's an apartment that feels more like a house. Love this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom duplex. All 4 bedrooms are generous in scale and have a great closet space.
But Andrew, I really like how there's a separation of space. The current owners have the primary bedroom and double home office upstairs and 2 bedrooms downstairs.
Well, besides the split bedrooms, there's also a great separation of public spaces. Downstairs is the kitchen, dining, and den. And then upstairs we have a full living room and media alcove. Great place to hide the TV here. All right, put my show on.
No, put my show on.
Hey.
From someone who likes to look at the kitchen, I love that I don't have to go into the kitchen. I can help out through the serving of the pass-through.
Treats up.
Oh, this smells so homemade.
Well, you may want to go into the kitchen to do the laundry.
I do love a private vented washer dryer.
Whether you're upstairs,
Or downstairs where the cookies are.
this is not just a duplex that feels like a house.
It's a true home. There's a full-time doorman, live-in super, bike room, laundry, and storage is available for shareholders.
255 West End Avenue has great proximity to Trader Joe's, Fairway, Citarella, the Beacon Theater, and Lincoln Center. Thanks for joining us for a tour of this great space at 255 West End Avenue, Duplex 1213A.
Give us a call or send us an email.
I'm Andrew Phillips.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
And we're
at Brown Harris Stevens.